All right, I got a little bit of a different one here for you. I have this brand new Corvette, and the customer wants us to put on these this ground effect type stuff. So I'm going to set you down and I'm going to go through the process of what we have to do, getting everything lined up. So far I've laid it out. I started putting some double-sided tape on there. I have the jack under the front, I have the jack under the rear to get the rear tires off, and basically the concept is we're going to take this, we're going to put it up into place, and then we're going to attempt to secure it with some of these screws underneath here. On this side of it, there's some dimples that we will, looks like there's some run over clear coat or something. There's a dimple here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But once we get it into place, we will we'll secure it underneath with those screws. But for right now, I'm just putting some double-sided tape on. So I'm gonna take you along. Now, what we have to do next is I'm going to clean the underside of the body real good. So what the plan is to get this set, I want to line the back up first. That's a pretty good idea. I'm going to line the back up first. I'm going to use a new microfiber towel for the other side. But what I'm going to do is, just to protect it, let's put this just like that. And my idea is we'll peel off all the double-sided tape. I'm going to set this on here, and then I'm going to slide it in, but it'll be resting on this. But all right, so from all the instructions that I see in the front here, it's going to be, oh, you can't see it, hold on, let me bump you up a little bit. There we go. In the front here, there's going to be about a ½ inch. So as long as I get it close, I feel like I'll be pretty good. That's about where I think I'll need it. This is a little bit too high for me. It's a little bit too high for me to work with. Okay, that's about where I want it there. I'm going to come to the back. Can you see me back here? No. I'm going to come to the back and get it forward. And there's little dimple spots. You have to screw these in, so we'll get a gun for that. Nice is the tape actually gives you like this much thickness, so you can kind of see to make sure that the screws are secure. Yeah, we got about a finger there. That looks good. I like it. Good way to. Back at it. I'm going to clean the underside again. Use a fresh part of my microfiber. Clean this thing because I'm going to put the double-sided tape here, so I'm going to use the same stuff. These aren't really that heavy, which is great. I'm gonna get my tower ready. Got my tower ready first. Now let's do the double-sided tape. I don't know, 6 or 7. I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 spots of tape. I'm gonna bring you over for a second because one of the things as I watched like an install video, one of the things that I noticed is they don't really go over the back too well, but there's like it's like this little notch, and I believe, I mean it worked on the first side, I believe when you come under here you're gonna notch it out. There's this body bolt and that body bolt. It's gonna be like and it's gonna be real close to this, which makes it almost flush here. Well, you will be flush here, and then the front will make up the difference, which is, you know, about a finger's width. So the notch will be like this, right? You'll avoid this bolt because if it was too far back, you would hit the bolt, and if it was too far forward, you'd have not the right gap in the front. So we'll do that, and then up here, there's no other bolts. Well, nothing underneath there, but this is all clean now. And then you'll have about a finger's width up here. So, all right, I'm gonna get this set up and we're gonna slap it in. Put this here. Put that like that. Oh, this is a better idea. I like this idea. I'll get that there. All right, I'm gonna peel this tape off real quick. You guys wanna see it? Here, let's do that. All right. there is a little bit of forgiveness when it comes to not getting this in the exact right spot, but I don't want to have to ask for it. All right, here we go. I'm gonna move this just a hair, and I'm gonna go put this on here, about where it's gonna be. Close. Here. Okay. I'm in the scene than I am, so happy about that. Okay. Whoa. Do a final scrub down on this. Okay, that's pretty much it, but I do want to show you. So it's about the same thing there, about a finger, which is what it should be. But then, let me get my light so you guys can see. Then back here, this is what I was talking about. Right over there, the screw, it's like a perfect little nest where the screw is without interfering with the screw. And then underneath there, we got all these. So when it's all said and done, this is what it looks like. Nice and sleek. Looking pretty cool. It's from this side, around back here. Got that nice straight line. It's a nice car. Very nice car. You got the door handle. And it's got .736 miles. All right, well, this wasn't a normal repair video, but a little add-on accessory. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned.